All right, what's up, everybody? Welcome to an unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the Waltons game. There it is. This is actually going to be a Christmas present for my mom, but she already knows she's got it, so it's okay. This is from, let's see, what year is this from? Holy shit. As you can tell, it's a Milton Bradley, so it's like really old. I think it's from like the original TV series and whatnot. I know it is, actually. And, first player to get rid of all your cards, so it doesn't even say what year it's from. But yeah, let's get into it. Oh, there's the game. There's the rules. I was wondering where the directions and rules were. Here's the board. That's cool. That's awesome. I like that. I like the truck. And here's this thing, which is really pointless to have underneath there. But anyway, there it is, the Waltons game. I think it's from the 70s or something. But, holy shit, how many cards are there? Y'all be looking at my eyes. That's it, really. Besides the cards. Yeah, that card. That one. Oh, it's like a build-a-card or something. You can like build cards and stuff, so yeah, there's that. And you can like build your cards or something. That's pretty cool. We'll just go through this like this. Got an idea. Here. There it is. There you go. I was picking Grandpa Walton's nose on that one. Did you see that? It's kind of cool to build a scene thing. There it is. Yes, I'm doing these cards a little quick, but it's okay. If y'all want to see it, most of y'all know where I live, so come on over and see it. But wait till after Christmas. So I'm probably going to wrap this up or something, so. Oh, cool. Play this last card last to complete any scene. I don't know why John Boy has to be last. What the hell, man? That's not cool. Why does John Boy have to be last? What the hell? There it is. I didn't even know this existed till me and my brother went to the frickin' antique store here. Or not here, but in Minneapolis. And there's all the cards. But anyway, that's all they really got is the card and the board. It's pretty generic, really. So, like I said, it's pretty generic. But anyway. Walton's game. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, turn those notification bells on. You'll know every time I upload. I love you guys. See you guys in the next video.